All right, guys, this is going to sound a little bit repetitive, but we're going to go over this again in regards to certain situations that we just talked about here. So we have now, again, we are looking for and wanting to solve for measurement of angle C. So this is our question right here. So we already kind of did this already where we already know, and let's change the color here, what measurement of angle B is, which is 32 degrees. So we got this right here. So this is 32. And I mentioned that when you have these two angles, I'll do a different color here. Let's go in yellow. So when we take these two angles right here, which are right next to each other, we call it, these are supplementary. So together, they're going to equal 180 degrees. So all we have to do in order to be able to find out what the measurement of angle C is take 180 degrees, and we'll write this again. So 180 degrees, and we're going to subtract 32 from it, and that's going to give us the measurement of our angle that we're looking for, angle C. So in that case, the 180 minus 32 is 148. So there's our answer on that part. Okay? All right. Any questions, let me know.